Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to hide your location on Snapchat. Hiding your location helps you maintain your privacy and control who can see where you are. So, let's get started on how to hide your location on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Here, scroll down until you find the sharing locations option. Once you find it, tap on it. Now you can see the ghost mode option. Simply tap on the toggle switch right next to it to turn it on. From the menu that appears, tap on the option for how long you want to hide your location. And this is how you can hide your location on Snapchat.
Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.